Ezra, you're funny. Ezra.
Hey, Eva, as long as you're up, will you look at your phone? Is there I may put it in
I think one of your hairs is here. Can I get it?
It's an iPhone 4 with no case and a cracked screen.
Ah. Ah.
Because Eli, so there it is.